Cheryl Fergison, famous for playing Heather Trott in EastEnders, has shared further information about her health scare during the bank holiday weekend. The 58-year-old actress admitted on Instagram that she was in complete agony and had to go to AE because of a health problem. Now, she's letting everyone know more about what happened. EastEnders star Cheryl told the Mirror in a statement, "Firstly, I would like to thank all the staff and teams at Blackpool and Victoria Teaching Hospital for the work they do day in and day out and for the care they provided for me in my time of need over this Easter weekend." She added, "I was treated for an infection with 6-hourly antibiotics IV drips and at times was in complete agony. I am glad to say the infection is subsiding and I am home and on the road to recovery. My family have been by my side throughout this whole ordeal. Spending 24 hours in A&E was more than an eye-opening experience. The pure abuse and overrun conditions that our health workers have to endure was painful to watch. The lack of appreciation that was showed by some people within my time there was very difficult to watch. If I was well enough, I'd definitely have had a thing or two to say to some of the people who were really taking advantage of the already overstretched and underfunded system that these poor people are trying their best to maintain." Cheryl added in the statement that she has been in and out of hospital for almost a decade due to some serious health conditions. She stated that it had been very scary and unsettling at times. She said, "I have been in and out of hospital for over the past 9 years due to some serious health conditions, and over the years it is clear to see the decline through the lack of funding and nurture from this government. Anyone can see that the system is horribly broken and neglected, and I question why we all talk about it but nothing is done. At the height of my serious illness it was a very scary and unsettling time for me and my family, but thankfully through the help and support of the NHS I have been able to continue with my career and positive attitude with a smile on my face." She went on to say, "It seemed to me that A&E was being treated as a dumping ground where the specialist services that the government continue to cut were in dire need. From people suffering from life-threatening conditions to homelessness and mental health issues, as well as elderly people sat next to drunk people having fist fights and throwing chairs. It really does make my heart go out to every single worker that has to work and constantly be on the edge of not knowing what is going to walk through their door."